Many years ago, I was a track athlete, and I was very fortunate to grow up in a university town and was taught by two of the university pole vaulters, one of which went on to be the bronze medalist in Munich. There's no question that all of those years in track probably contributed a little bit to having a hip problem, but I would certainly not trade those experiences for anything in the world. Prior to the hip operation, I've been very active. On the weekends, I'd ride my bicycle. Typically, my rides would be 18 to 20 miles, and I got to the point where I could not ride at all, so that was a big loss for me. And gradually, other things began to wind down. Simple things, playing golf, walking upstairs. It really affected the quality of my life. The more I did my research, the more I realized that it really reduced the variables and potential for error. And as I read more and more about it and compared it to existing technologies and existing techniques, it made sense to me that it was going to reduce the time for healing, reduce the pain, and I think I'd be silly not to utilize it. It almost seemed too good to be true. And what was fascinating to me was I was waiting for this big wave of pain to hit, but I didn't have any pain at all. It was just shocking to me. 8 days after surgery, I was back in my office working full time. I don't notice any difference in the joint itself, but as far as the stride, I think it's actually better because they actually lengthened my leg 3 millimeters. That's the kind of accuracy that I was looking for. And existing technology, existing techniques don't really do as good of a job. And that's why I went with this particular procedure. It's giving me my life back, and I really wish I had done it 2.5 years ago because I could have saved myself an immense amount of pain. I have no pain now.